always says, what if you only did what you already knew? That's about implementation. I don't know it until I'm living it. See, now we can stop searching the world over for answers that are right here. Been right here the whole time. Acres of diamonds. Don't stop 3 feet of gold. Okay. Third part of the formula, transformation. So in the process of implementing, there will come times where you hit a roadblock. And you're like, man, I started implementing step 1 and 2 and 4, but something about step number 2, I'm keep missing. I'm hitting a roadblock. I'm feeling resistance behind this one, coach. This part of the recipe, there will come a part in every recipe where you have resistance. And you're either going to be able to get yourself beyond that resistance, or you're going to be wise enough to seek out mentorship or coaching to get yourself through the resistance. That's where transformation comes in. Once I find myself resisting a part of the formula that I know is essential for my success, and if I'm not able to get myself to get past that roadblock, I need transformation.